Hi everyone! Welcome again to Math Den. Ang topic naman natin ngayon is about solving the annual rate, small r, and the rate per period, small j, under pa rin ng ating topic, compound interest of more than once a year. So itong ating formula for j. So this is also derived from the original or the general formula of future value. So dahil J ang hinahanap natin, i-derive muna natin siya para ma-isolate yung J. Ito na yung kalalabasan niya formula. So, small j is equals to the quantity of F over P raised to 1 over N minus 1. So, yung 1 over N, exponent siya ng buong F over P. Okay? So from there, dyan na rin natin kukunin yung sagot sa annual rate kasi kailangan muna merong letter J. So makikita natin siya sa ating solution sa examples. Example number 1, what is the annual rate? Compounded semi-annually will 10,000 pesos to be accumulated to 15,000 pesos in 10 years. So analyze natin yung problem. Ang tinatanong is annual rate. We know that annual rate is small r. Then ang given natin, we have the compounding period. We have the principal money. We have the future value. And we have the time in years. So i-write natin ang given. We have the compounding period of 2 because of semi-annually. We have the present value of 10,000. We have the future value of 15,000. We have the time of 10 years. So, ang hinahanap natin is R, in which hindi natin siya directly masasolve agad. Kailangan i-compute muna natin yung rate per period, which is J. So, solution A, solve for J. So, ang ating formula for J is F over P raised to 1 over N minus 1. Dahil ang formula natin requires small n, i-compute muna natin yung n. So, alam natin ang n ay m times t. Given na naman tayo ng m at saka t, masasolve na natin yan. So, that is 2 times 10. So, ang ating n ay 20. So, i-substitute na natin yan. Meron na tayong F, P, and N. So, we have 15,000 divided by 10,000 raised to 1 over 20 minus 1. The answer for J is decimal up to 4 decimal places. So that is 0.0205. So rounded na siya at in up to rather 4 decimal place. Pero this is not the final answer. Because we are looking for the value of R. So at ating solution B ay solve for small r. So manggagaling ang formula natin ng R sa R over M is equals to J. Dahil given na tayo ng J at given na rin tayo ng M, ang R ay magiging M times J. So derivation ng formula na to. So substitute natin. M is 2 semi-annually. Then yung J na compute natin as 0.0205. Ang answer pa rin dyan ay decimal up to 4 decimal places. So that is 0.0410. Dahil ang kailangan natin ay naka-percent, i-convert natin to in percent. Sa final answer sa R is 4.10%. So that is the final answer. The annual rate is 4.10%. So this is how we compute for the annual rate, provided na kailangan isolve muna ang rate per period sa ating example number 1. Okay, so let's have another example for this topic. We have example number 2. At what interest rate, compounded quarterly, will 500,000 pesos to be accumulated to 1 million pesos in 10 years? Again, analyze natin yung problem. Ang tanong is what interest rate? So we're talking about small r or the annual rate. Given tayo ng compounding period which is M, principal money or the present value 500,000. We have the future value 1 million, so that is letter F. Then 10 years, we all know that is the time in years. So i-write ulit natin ang given. So we have compounding period which is 4. Kung bakit siya 4? Because it is quarterly. We have the present value of 500,000. We have the future value of 1 million. Then we have the time in years of 10 years. Now, ilagay na rin natin dito yung value ng n kasi kailangan natin siya sa formula. So, n is equals to m times t. Given na naman tayo ng m which is 4 times 10. So, the answer for n is 40. Okay? So, meron na tayong f, meron na tayong p, at meron na tayong n. So, solution A, solve for J. So, kung bakit tayo ulit nagsosolve ng J? Because hindi natin pwedeng directly masolve ang small r. So, small j is equals to f over p raised to 1 over n minus 1. Substitute natin, we have 1 million divided by 500,000 raised to 1 over 40 minus 1. So again, ang magiging sagot natin dyan is decimal with up to 4 decimal places. So rounded off na siya hanggang 4. So we have 0. Linawin natin yung 0. So we have 0.0175. This is not the final answer kasi J pa lang siya, rate per period pa lang siya. Ang kailangan natin is annual rate. So solution B, we have small r. So we all know that the formula for r is mj or m times j. So that is m, we have 4. Then meron na tayong na-solve na j which is 0.0175. Ang sagot pa rin dito ay decimal, pero sakto na siya hanggang 2 decimal. So that is 0.07. So dahil kailangan natin naka-percent ang rate, itong 0.07, ita-times natin sa 100 para maging percent. So that is 7%. So ito na yung final answer natin. Therefore, ang conclusion natin is the interest rate is 7%. Okay, so that is how we use the formula for solving the annual rate and the rate per period, still under the topic of compound interest for more than once a year.